India is blessed with a long coastline. Therefore, our ports and waterways contribute exceptionally to international trade as well as our economic development. This makes research on port development, waterways and navigation absolutely necessary. In this series, a 360-degree full-bridge ship simulator has been installed at the National Technology Centre for Ports, Waterways and Coasts in IIT Madras. This state-of-the-art ship handling simulator will conduct complex navigation feasibility studies for port development projects including inland waterways. The installation is amongst the largest of its kind in the region, which will provide to the mariners the facility to practice navigation with procedures such as ship maneuvering, berthing and unberthing, etc. by simulating various marine environments.
We are carrying out high-end technological solutions for the ministry. One of this activity is the 360-degree full bridge mission simulator. Under this, we are carrying out navigation and simulation studies for all the major Indian ports as well as minor ports. The main area of interest in this is to have a very indigenous and unique development in India on this facility, so that all the ports can make use of this facility in a much more wider way.
Department of Ocean Engineering at the IIT Madras has long been involved in navigational and coastal management technology studies. In 2018, the National Technology Centre for Ports, Waterways and Coasts was established under the aegis of this department. The centre is focusing on technological innovations and evolution of new ideas and breakthroughs for the port, waterways and maritime sector to provide effective solutions to an extensive range of problems being faced in the industry. The state-of-the-art ship handling simulator complex is one such solution in which detailed modeling of operating conditions in port areas and environmental conditions like bathymetry, tidal wind along with CAD data and current field data are simulated to provide all the necessary tools for conducting feasibility studies in this area.
This facility is in collaboration with the Applied Research Institute, where we are collaboratively developing the port models for all the major ports as well as minor ports. In addition to that, we are customizing the hydrodynamics models, which are very unique, and that is where it is quite unique when compared to other facilities in world, and it is a world-class facility which can be utilized in India as well as in other regional countries.
The indigenously developed simulator will reduce India's dependency on other nations for maritime training. Apart from this, the simulator can also help in conducting studies on new ports and ship interactions in inland and shallow waters. Such studies can open many new ways for the development of the nation.